Okay, everybody. I first of all, let me apologize. If you tried to get a hold of me today, I was on the phone with a business partner of mine. He and I spent the better part of 2002 all the way through 2004, about maybe 2.5 years, developing some software. He came in as a money partner. Software development is very, very expensive. Especially when you're talking about getting your own applications done. Anyway, he and I were on the phone, and we started talking about some of the thoughts that I've been having about really developing a trading system, but not really a trading system how most people think of it. This trading system incorporates a lot of the core principles that are in the insider code, some of the tactics that are in the advanced course, or the advanced tactics portion, but also quite a bit that's not in there. And let me tell you, today was an absolute breakthrough. At one point, Mike and I had been talking for about 45 minutes, and he said, it's really too bad that you didn't record that. So I put the headphones on, fired up the recorder, and we then spent the next 85 minutes going over in great detail the system, the ins and outs, how to use it for long-term trading, how to use it for swing trading, say over a week or so, how to get in there and use it for day trading, how to monitor positions, how to make sure that you can tell literally at an instant whether or not you need to get in or get out of a position. I mean, it was just an absolute breakthrough kind of day. So again, I apologize if you tried to get a hold of me. I know while Mike and I were talking, there were probably 3 or maybe 4 people who tried to call in. Thankfully, there weren't too many. But know that it was for a good cause. This is all stuff that I'm going to be covering in the live event. We're going to go over it in some great detail. In fact, I've had to rework some of the live event to include this stuff. So between now and then, I'm going to be getting it into a format that you can understand. Mike and I will probably go back and forth and really hash the whole thing out. We'll trade it, make sure everything works and it makes sense. I'm telling you, this trading system is going to be unlike anything most of you have ever seen in your entire life. But I can tell you that this is truly a system built on logic, common sense, and the absolute principles of how the market works. So I'm telling you, I'm just so jazzed to get this thing, and I can't wait for everybody to see it and have a chance to experience it for themselves. Now, having said that, I am looking for a couple of trades here. I'm looking for longs above 2.0130. That's going to put the market actually pretty close to where it is right now. I do think it's going to be fairly quiet, but I am looking for a break above here. Stop this time is going to be 37 pips. To put it, if we put it at 30 pips, this would put your stop right at 2.0100. Remember, that's a bad idea. You never want to place your stops near these round numbers. Now, I've got no problem entering there because of the stops, you might get the market getting sucked up and taken along to the upside. Short trades,